Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So we are having multiple news in Euro and USD today, but the major high impact news is at 7 p.m. and 8:30 p.m. So be cautious around these times since this could be a high spread area. So let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD and the price was having equal low. The price swept these equal low and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, it broke the strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back into the upside direction and reacted from this candle over here, which had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this zone and moved into the downward direction but couldn't break below all these equal lows. Rather, it swept it. This gave the market a bullish push. So after reacting to this candle over here, somewhere here, the price moved into the downward direction but yet has not mitigated this order block right here. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction and mitigate this order block and then give a reaction. So for a detailed picture, let's move to the weekly. But first of all, I'd like to draw a line right here to get a clear idea in the smaller time frames. So let's move to the weeklies now. So this is the weekly chart and we can see that the price is sweeping the lows. And if we are going to close right here today, most likely we are going to gain an upside momentum into the market. So there is nothing yet clear. So let's move to the dailies now. So this is the daily chart and we can see that the price is at the supply zone. This right here. And it is reacting from it. So if we are going to protect this low and move into the upside direction and the price is going to leave some kind of FVG right here or an imbalance, I'll be anticipating the price to move into the upside direction after mitigating this FVG right here and taking all these liquidity accumulated over it. So there is yet not clear image of the bias today. So let's move to the 4 hours. So this is the 4-hour chart and we are following an order flow right here. This was the flip zone. The price moved into the downward direction and currently we are mitigating an order flow. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction. So for a precise picture, let's move to the 1 hours now. So into the 1 hour, we still have areas which is unmitigated in the market. That is this wick right here. So most likely if we are going to mitigate this wick and then move into the downward direction, that would be the best scenario for me. So currently what do I have? So currently I'm having this as a weak low for me. I'm anticipating the price to take this weak low and then move into the downward direction. And if we are going to flip right here, that is break this order flow, I'll be anticipating the price to move into the upside direction in the major higher time frames. So let's move to the 15 minutes for the session's liquidity. So this is the Asia session. The price is currently reacting from this order flow right here and moving into the downward direction from this order block right at this zone. So if we are going to respect this 1 hour or the 15-minute zone right here, most likely we are going to take this high and then break below all these equal lows and take this low too. So for today's bias, I'm anticipating the price to either respect this zone or take this high and then give a bearish bias to take all these liquidity right here. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.